last class, we have started data structures. We did linear data structure. In linear data structure, we did array, linked list, stack, and queue. Everyone remembers that? Just give me a thumbs up. Okay. Everyone, please. Okay. Very good. So let's start with non-linear data structure. Is blue marker visible? Anyone just unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Because my black marker is finished and the shops are closed. So I don't have black marker. Oops, sorry. Non-linear data structure mein we are going to study binary tree today. Okay, when I talk about binary tree, over here you have a normal binary tree also. You will study the expression also, like you have a mathematical expression given, and of that expression you have to draw the diagram, binary tree diagram, that is of 3 to 4 marks in exam. And what is binary tree? 99% it comes in exam. Either it comes as what is binary tree, how it is represented in memory, what is binary tree, show the link representation of binary tree. This year this question was asked that what is binary tree, show the link representation of binary tree. For 3 marks it was asked, and also the expression was also asked. So both was asked. So that means from this topic 4 marks of that expression and 3 marks, 7 marks were asked. With option it was 7 marks का topic था ये binary tree for this year. Okay, so all of you pay attention. It is not a normal topic. So when I talk about binary tree, I talk about non-linear data structure wherein the data can be entered in any manner. Okay, so suppose there is a tree. Suppose there is a tree which does not have, the name of the tree is T. Okay, if this binary tree T does not contain any node, if it does not contain any node, it is known as empty binary tree. This is the start of the answer, that if a binary tree T is the representation of the binary tree. If it does not contain any node, it is known as empty binary tree. And even if it contains a single node, that means I have a single node over here, so it is known as non-empty binary tree. Okay, even if it contains a single node, these are the universal terms used for explaining the concept. Okay, empty tree, non-empty tree. So in answer, the introduction of binary tree has to be with this thing only, that what is empty binary tree and what is non-empty binary tree. Okay, so even if it contains a single node, it is known as non-empty binary tree. Now the first node of the binary tree is always, the first node of a binary tree is always my root node. Okay, this root node may be represented by the alphabet N. Like I am using the alphabet N, you can use any alphabet. Okay, now this is this. These are records. Okay, these are records, but हम लोग डायग्राम में सिर्फ आपको ABCD करके बता रहे हैं. So this, the left part of the tree, T1, okay, is known as left subtree. Is known as left subtree. The right, अच्छा मैंने right. The right part of the tree is known as right subtree. Okay, the left part of the tree is known as left subtree. The right part of the tree is known as right subtree. Now, I will talk about just one individual node like this. I'm talking only about this. Okay, B, D, and E. Every node, okay, listen carefully, that every node has left successor and right successor. It may have left or it, एक मिनट किसी का क्या डाउट है? Can't there be any more divisions from root? No, there cannot be any more divisions from the root node. It can only be left and right. उसके अलावा और कोई center ऐसे कोई division नहीं है. It is just left and right. Okay. So I was talking about successors, that each node has a left successor and a right successor. When I say left successor and right successor, how it is? When I talk about B over here, so B is having left successor as D, successor SUCCESSORS, successors. Okay, so left successors and right successors. So every node will have either a right successor or a left successor. Okay, so and if it does not contain any successor, means उसके पास left successor भी नहीं है, right successor भी नहीं है, that means it, the parent node is not having any child node. Say for an example, A is the parent of node B and C. B is the parent of node D and E. F is the parent of node only I. उसका left successor नहीं है. Okay, so the nodes which don't have any successor are known as terminal nodes. Okay, so can anyone name me the terminal nodes? You can unmute and tell me the terminal nodes over
G and I.
G, I or
D.
D,
H.
H. Okay, and what are my कितने मेरे पास left successors हैं? Can anyone tell me?
3.
Anyone can tell me how many left successors I have?
3.
P and
3. D,
C,
D, F. F.
D, F. That's all. Okay. And right successors?
C, E, H.
C, E, H and
G. G, I.
G and I. Okay. See my lines in exam. Students, what they do is, ये A है, ये B है, ये C है. अरे ये लाइन सीधा कैसे है? You don't. आप लोग जल्दी जल्दी में वो लाइन इधर उधर कर देते हो. But to the examiner, it is a straight line. So there is no straight node or a straight successor. Your lines has to be very neatly drawn. आपको उनको पता लगना चाहिए एग्जामिनर को कि ये लेफ्ट है और ये राइट है. When we do the expression at that time, it will be more difficult to you. Okay, so that's the introduction of binary tree. Everyone understood this? Give me a thumbs up. So I'll move to the next part of binary tree. Any doubts? Anyone? Somebody?
मैम
Yes, Gandhar.
टर्मिनल नोड्स फिर से सिखाओ ना एक बार, मैं समझा नहीं.
टर्मिनल नोड वो है जिसका ना ही लेफ्ट सक्सेसर है और ना ही राइट सक्सेसर है. बिकॉज जब तक मेरे पास लेफ्ट टर्मिनल नोड नहीं होगा तब तक मेरा ट्री रुकेगा ही नहीं. सो ट्री को रोकने के लिए, या अगर कोई आगे कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है मेरे पास, सो एट दैट टाइम दिस टर्मिनल नोड्स कम इन पिक्चर. लाइक डी के पास ना ही लेफ्ट सक्सेसर है ना ही राइट सक्सेसर है. इट इज just empty. He is not a parent of any other node. Okay, so if the node is not a parent of any other node, so that time like it has no child nodes. In other words, it has no child nodes. At that time, it is known as terminal nodes. Okay, when you study data structure in engineering, you will have a quick sort, you will have hip sort. All these sorting techniques are used with the help of binary tree. एक hip sort करके एक है, वो है चाहे sorting bubble sort जैसे to search and to arrange the element alphabetically और numerically है. Sorting का means वो है. But एक hip sort करके एक है, उसमें you sort it through this like the diagrammatic representation of hip sort is of like this binary tree जैसा है वो. Okay, so that's my binary tree. Everyone understood? Just give me a thumbs up so that I can move to the next topic. No one is giving me thumbs up. What happened? Okay. It's there in the notes, so no need of writing it. I'm taking a very small example as my board is very small. So this is the node. My topic. This year, this was asked. Huh? What is binary tree? Show the linked representation of binary tree in memory. So pay attention. This is left successor. Right successor. If you notice, students, every topic, जितने भी अभी तक हमने टॉपिक किए हैं, every topic we have covered with the help of example only. Without giving the examples, you cannot explain the concept. So same in the board exam also. While you're writing or explaining any concept, you just don't give the definition and leave it. Okay, you have to properly show with the help of diagram. और हर क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया जाता है with suitable example, with the help of example. Example is asked. Okay, so you have to give examples everywhere. NST, LST. I'm taking a very small example. Huh? DME and NSCS. And that goes here. So this is number 3, number 4. No, number 3 is number 5 to the right. So number 5 is linked to number 1 and number 3. Okay. I have taken a very small example. Okay. Just to show you in the notes, it is a very big diagram with a hospital bed example. So my start node, that is my root node, is NSP. Okay, मैं थोड़ा छोटा लिख रही हूँ. My root node is NSP. Now, if you remember the linked representation of memory of linked list, okay, we had only two tabular columns, okay, which were nothing but info and node. Why? Because in linked list it was divided into two: information and the pointing to the next memory address. But in binary tree, a node is divided into two: left successor and right successor. That is why I have 3 tables over here in the tabular form. So my start is NSP. NSP का left successor is number 3. So left successor is ARM. over here. It is ARM. Okay, and right successor में I have number 4, that is LSC. So now I will come to this ARM. ARM के left में कौन है? कोई भी नहीं है. It is empty. And right में I have number 5, that is DME. Okay, then I'll move to the right successor of NSP. It's LSC. LSC के left on right में कोई भी नहीं है, so it is an terminal node. But still I have to watch out for DME कि whether it has left successor or right successor or no. So DME is having a left successor as NSCS. So see my lines, I'm properly drawing a left node. It is showing that it is a left node and this is a right node. Okay, DME के right में कुछ नहीं है. Then I'll move to NSCS. NSCS के left और right successor में कुछ भी नहीं है. So the terminal nodes are NSCS and LSC. Okay, so this is just a short example. In boards, you have to explain this example. You have to write, you have to properly draw the diagram, and उस diagram से आपको कौन सा binary tree मिला है, that you have to show. और जहां पर भी ये null है, उसको ऐसे empty दिखाना है आप. Okay, so what is binary tree for 1 mark and linked representation of binary tree in memory for 2 marks it was asked. See, question number 2A. Explain link representation of binary tree with suitable example. With suitable example means this example. Okay. So I'm just giving you 1 minute. Just quickly revise it and then we'll switch to the expressions. Okay. I'll directly take a board example जो इस साल board में आया है for 4 marks. That example I will take. A difficult one. Okay. Let's talk about this expression. The very first thing what I want to tell you, especially on one batch, the flagship batch and one batch, the major mistake what you do in this is, okay, you expand the expression. Suppose काफी टाइम आपको expression ऐसा वाला भी आता है 2x plus y, आपको मैंने question bank में दिया है ये. So what you do is you expand it 2x plus 2y. You don't have to expand. ये आपको इसका square पूछा है, so आप इसका formula लिखना शुरू कर देते हो. No, you don't have to expand the expression. आपको बस इस expression का diagram draw करना है. That's all. Okay. So let's start. Now everyone knows root node, left successor and right successor. So in this expression, this part is my left L, I'm writing, and this whole part is my right successor or right subtree, whatever. Okay. So equal to becomes my root node and this part. Now I have to, this right part, okay, this right subtree, again I have to divide it. Again I have to divide it because this and this raised to 3 by 2. Okay, this 3 by 2. So what I do is that this whole part is my now left and this part is my right. So I draw a exponent sign Okay, this is an exponent sign and I divided after this exponent sign और ये exponent sign में मैंने left और right लिया है. Okay, now again I will talk only about this expression because वो तो मेरा right में चला गया. Right में जाने के बाद ये 3/2 मेरा ऐसे हो जाएगा. Okay, now I will talk about this. So this will be plus. Now this is my left and this is my right. So plus has come in between. Now इसमें भी I'll have C over here. No. Just a minute. I have missed one step. I have missed one step. Okay. Okay. अब यहाँ पे minus हाँ now C लोगे और यहाँ पे minus A and B. Okay, because this plus में this is my left part, so this left part I have drawn. Now again in this you will take minus C plus A B. Okay, got it? This how I have done this. Everyone. यश चाहत समझा शिशिर कोई सब लोग हैं कि सो गए? हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
मैम एंडिंग का नहीं समझा.
क्या नहीं समझा यथार्थ?
हम जो आपने प्लस के बाद का जो भी लिखा है वो नहीं समझ रहा.
ये प्लस वाले के बाद. ओके, नाउ सी आई विल रिपीट वंस अगेन. ये जो प्लस वाला डिवीजन है, अगेन दिस प्लस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू लेफ्ट सब ट्री एंड राइट सब ट्री. सो आई हैव टेकन दिस होल एक्सप्रेशन ओवर हियर. ओके, एंड दिस right wala part I have taken over here. Okay, now in this expression again this A minus B minus C is again divided into, I have just go on dividing it into smaller so that I get left successor and right successors. So again this is divided like this. This is left and this is right. Okay, when this is left and this is right, so this minus will come in between. So right successor में मेरा C जाएगा और ये A minus B. अब ये A minus B में भी again I am dividing it into small. This is my left and this is my right. And so minus has come over here and A minus B. See how it is. A minus B minus C. Okay. पहले मैंने ये वाला एक्सप्रेशन सॉल्व किया है A minus B, then this whole part is merging with A minus B minus C, then A plus B minus C. So ये जब बाइनरी ट्री एग्जीक्यूट होता है तो वो नीचे से ऊपर जब जाएगा, so at that time so that is how it is done actually. कि ये A minus B ऊपर जाके ये माइनस सी के साथ मर्ज हो जाएगा. अब अगर आप ये एक्सप्रेशन को जो आपने पूरा सॉल्व किया है, अगर आप वापस इसको अनसॉल्व करते हो तो ये वैसे हो जाएगा A प्लस बी ऊपर जाके माइनस सी एंड देन दिस होल एक्सप्रेशन विल कम विद प्लस एंड सो ऑन. नाउ इट्स क्लियर यथार्थ?
यस मैम.
एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the not first time, but hardly they have asked 3/2 like this. In the question bank, I have given you 1 or 2 simple expressions also. Okay, like A plus B ऐसा करके C into B minus C. This expression is also there in this thing. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. You just write this quickly. ये आप लिख लो अपने बुक में, बाद में आप लोग भूल जाओगे ये। मेरा बस एक ट्रावर्सल बाकी है, फिर मेरा बाइनरी ट्री खत्म हो जाएगा। जल्दी, मेरे पास सिर्फ 5 मिनट ही हैं, मेरा सेशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा बच्चों। अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट टेक अ पिक जिसमें आप लोग माहिर हो। Okay, can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the topic traversal, this topic is not asked in the exam. It's hardly means अगर मैं 10 पेपर उठाऊंगी तो उसमें से कोई एक पेपर में ये टॉपिक है, मतलब पूछा है एग्जाम में, but as it is part of the syllabus, so we have to teach. That doesn't mean that you will not concentrate. It may come in filling the blanks also. Okay, how does a binary tree usually travel? Suppose I have a pre-order is like this, in order is like this, and post order is like this. So when I say I have A, B, and C, okay, these are my 3 nodes with left successor, right successor, and the root node. So the root node I am representing by the alphabet N, left successor by L, and this C by R. That is my right successor. So pre-order mein it is NLR. When I say NLR, that means what will be the order according to this binary tree? That is the root A, then the left successor, then the right successor. If I am following in order rule, in order के हिसाब से मेरा binary tree run होना चाहिए. So it is first I have to execute the left successor, that is B. Then I have to execute the root successor, that is A, and then I have to execute the right successor C. If you remember, मैं अभी आपको बाइनरी ट्री में बता रही थी A माइनस B, फिर माइनस ऊपर गया, फिर C हुआ, तो वो उसको हम लोग ट्रावर्सल बोलते हैं. Post order में it has to be first left means B, then the right C, and then the root A. Okay? इस एग्जाम्पल में जो आपने ये वाला मैंने आपको लास्ट में करवाया था, in this case if I am following pre-order में, then it will be minus AB. If I am following in order, then it will be A minus B. And when it is post order, okay, when it is post order, it is AB minus AB minus. Okay. Now you will say, ma'am, how to remember this shortcuts? Okay, ये traversal का order कैसे याद रखना है? So I am just giving you a simple trick that how to remember it. You just take LR, left and right successor. Whenever it is pre-order में root node को pre कर दो, मतलब सबसे पहले. When it is post order, this root node shift it in the end because it is post. And whenever it is in order, you pick this root node and put it in between L and R, left and right. So you just change the position of root node according to the order you follow. If I say post order, so left, right, root. Okay. So this is the trick. You remember the traversals. Okay. Again, I am repeating. This topic is not so important. Okay. But it is asked 1 or 2 times in boards. So here you complete your non-linear data structure, that is binary trees. So binary tree में आपका वो expression compulsorily exam में आता ही है. You can pick up any paper in every, and just to draw that expression, you get 3 marks. Initially, पेपर्स में डायरेक्ट वो 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन होता था, डायरेक्ट एक छोटा सा डायग्राम बनाने के लिए 4 मार्क्स मिलते थे. ओके, बट now they have changed. They have asked with what is binary tree, draw the, so what is binary tree for 1 mark and the expression for 3 marks. गए 2-3 साल से ये ऐसे डिवाइड होके आ रहा है for 3 marks and then 1 mark for binary. Otherwise it was directly of 4 marks. Okay, so children, that's all for today. Any doubt? In the next class I will be completing data structure chapter completely. Okay, next week you will complete data structure chapter. Okay, so everything will be uploaded in Google Classroom. Okay, any doubt?